Welcome to the Mass Reader. I'm your host, Britney Cooper. There is a chance you may have heard this reader on a Sunday, or maybe he officiated your wedding. Regardless, he will be reading Run, Mo, Run by David Adler.
Mo Jackson is in a hurry. He eats his lunch. He puts a cherry jelly donut in his pocket for later. Finish eating, he tells his friend Jenna. We need to get ready. There's a track meet after school. Mo, Jenna, and Dove are in class 2B. They will be in the relay race against students from class 2M. Dove will run first. He will pass the baton to Jenna. Then Jenna will give the baton to Mo. Mo will finish the race.
Who is this week's Mass Reader? I'm not going to tell you yet, but here's a clue. He is a reverend in Whitehaven. Well, if you're watching on our YouTube page, please visit our website at memphislibrary.org and tell us who it is. If you are already on our website, then enter the name. If you're correct, your name will be entered into a drawing to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Meanwhile, stop by our Memphis Public Library to pick up a free copy of Run, Mo, Run while supplies last. And oh yeah, good luck.